How to find Twitter users from contact list. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find Twitter users from your contact list. Now to do so, first you'll have to sync your contact with the Twitter app. Open up the Twitter and you'll get an interface like this. Head on to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, head into privacy and safety, and there you'll get the option discoverability and contacts. Head into it and you can see the option sync address book contacts. On the contacts option, make sure to toggle this switch on and it will ask to allow permissions to your contacts. Simply tap on allow, and once you toggle this switch on, if you head back and then again head into the same option, then if any of your contacts have Twitter, then they'll be displayed here just below the contacts. Now in my case, I don't have any friends or any contacts that have Twitter accounts, so it's not displaying, but if you do have, then they'll be displayed here. So this way you can find Twitter users from contact lists. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.